Hello guys, I want to talk about how our data room and due diligence connect. So let's get started this video. Due diligence requests access to confidential information from multiple parts. Before a technology advance, company wouldn't let their confidential information leave the property. This requires all interest parts to travel to the company. Now, with good technology, all data is uploaded into the cloud, where trams have access to it. Cloud storage has made diligence more safe, efficient, and affordable. Some software like Diligence combine due diligence software and a virtual online data room into one integrated platform. Teams have the ability to set preparation, securely share, document, and communicate it. Instead of the due diligence process being physical and expensive, it is now happening electronically in an efficient and cost-effective way. So, in this video, I want to explain how are the data room and due diligence connected. I think you understand how to connect and due diligence data room. So I think this video helped you understood how to due diligence connect and more update to follow this my channel. Also like this video, subscribe my channel, share this video your friend and family, and waiting for the next update and next video, and more details and how to data room due diligence about. So thank you once again and subscribe my channel.